Let's create a cut file of this large pattern. Put it on the tracing board, trace it with the logic trace system, get an accurate DXF file in a very short time. It's so fast and it's so easy. Just trace with the pen stylus and save a DXF file. The boards come in a variety of sizes. This particular board is 44 by 60 inches, but we also have larger ones and smaller ones. Just trace the pattern with the pen and save a DXF file. The pen generates very accurate XY points that go to the computer, and then our software turns all those into a DXF file. Great for creating files for CNC machines. There's the outline. Let's do some 3-point circles. Just do any 3 points on the circle. Bingo, there's the first one. Let's do 2 more, and then save the file. Just think how much time this would save you in creating your large DXF files. There it is. Save the file.